Hey guys, we'll be doing another unboxing video. I hope we'll get another golden one. So let's get started. Okay. We got 3 of them. So what do we get in here? I'm gonna be mad if it's bacon. Original taco. Some taco meat. I think it is. I'm not sure. Oops. This one wanted to be opened. Maybe not. It's something good. What is this? What is this? Soy? Whatever. Barbecue sauce. Okay. Here. Relish. I already got it. So, relish it is, but we don't want it. Let's see what we got in this one. That's alright. Mac and cheese. So far, no bacon, and that is a good thing. Ooh. What is this? It says Monday on it. I can't read it. I only see Monday and smooth. It's conditioner. I see it right here. Oh. Nice. Yeah, we got a little bottle of conditioner. I had hair in my mouth. Okay. Okay. What will we get in this one? I got. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. It's Kool-Aid. Little. Some little Kool-Aid flavoring you put in water. It's cute. Does it say what flavor? Tropical punch. Sorry. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. I like tropical punch. It's a jar of pickles. Well, I'm glad that's not real, or that would have been broken. But good thing is, it's plastic. But it looks like a real jar of pickles. Like, oh no, you can't open the pickle jar. You need. Oh my gosh, I can't hold the pickle jar. Apparently, I can't hold a pickle jar. A fake pickle jar. I think the pickle jar is probably either the pickle jar or the conditioner or the Kool-Aid. I'm gonna be upset. I think oh. I thought that was shake and bake pork chops. Pure vanilla extract. What is this? Feta. It's feta cheese. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I like eating this. I'm thinking about cottage cheese. Never mind. It might be the same thing. I don't know. Bull's eye something. I don't know if you've seen this, but yeah. But I don't know what this is. Like, is it barbecue sauce? Yes. Their little writing is so hard to see. I don't see it. Finally. Where's the opening? There. I'm getting better at opening these. Okay, let's see. Oh, Italian dressing. I think I've got this one. It's kind of heavy. Oh, I don't know what I was talking about. Must have been this. What is this? Garlic and herbs. Oh, that's cute. I don't know why I said it was heavy. It was because of another Kool-Aid thing. Same flavor too. Only one repeat for this. I said I got repeat from the relish, but that was from the other video. So I got about 2 more to open. And I got a shopping cart. This one actually rolls. This looks like a piece of cheese, or cake. Pork something. I don't know. Let's put the shopping cart together. Is there instructions? Okay. I know that's a bottom again. Yes, is it bad? I don't know how to put this together. I guess this goes here. They didn't give me instructions. Not that I know of. They didn't give me instructions. I only have a picture. I don't know how to put this cart. There, I think. No. I really thought I had it. You know what? I'll put the cart together off camera and then show you. Stay sweet and kind. Bye.